Brain out. Them country out now, we a start the show. Who no know we want to know how we go through so much and they them could get we out. We do without, kick it table over, turn it round.
Welcome to Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia. And today we're with a big bad artist that would like to introduce to the public. So here with us, we have Chucky Boss, right?
Fully.
We're going to go for a quick break. And when we get back, we find out more about Chucky Boss.
Yo, Lex them.
It's them, baby.
You know you feel upset when things now go your way and you're confused like the right person, the wrong time, the right script, or the wrong line. But be your own boss, my bro, and have your own mind. See, brain out. Them country out now, we a start the show. Who no know we want to know how we go through so much and they them could get we out. We do without, kick it table over, turn it round. Blessing and power, if we make it out.
All right. So Chucky, today we're here on the Portmore Talent Show. Now, this show is not only to host your talent here, but we're also introducing it to the world. But before we proceed, what is your government name?
Orlando Christie.
Orlando Christie. I like that name. Just gonna ask quick questions so that the public can know who you really are. So, where were you born and where did you grow up?
Well, I was born and raised in Garden Pen. Yeah? Still living in Garden Pen, you know. I never forget where I come from.
All right, so which school did you attend?
Well, I used to attend Eltham High School.
Eltham High School. What about primary school?
Eltham Park Primary School, located in Garden Pen, you know.
Right, this is so right around Eltham, right there, so.
Yeah, one vicinity.
All right. So, what event showed you that Chucky had this talent?
Well, you know, to be honest, I grew up in a musical household. Mother is a powerful singer. Grandmother, powerful singer. Father is a writer.
Oh.
But he never really go far with the writing still, you know. But as I say, I grew up in a musical surrounding, and that just give me a jive for the music.
So it just come natural.
Natural.
So what type of song you hear like your mother, your father, your grandmother would normally do?
Well, it all started from church days, you know. Yeah, man, every Saturday we'd have to out them and you see it. I remember, you know, in a them time there, you know, you see if you don't want to go up on the choir go sing, you don't know a beat, you know, so you see it. So just get that jive there from them time there, you see it, still we start advancing at the writing and a history after that, you know.
Cool. So the fact that you grew up in a basically like a Christian one, well, most young people grew up in a Christian one, but we decided to take our path our own way than what we grew up and see our parents doing. So at what point you noticed that you really want to go in this industry, whether it be dancehall or reggae?
Well, my mother did understand the whole fact that me have a passion and love for music, so me have to go do not really say anything or everything it take, because I don't know when I go to way to get that done and see it. But as anything it take for get the music active, my mother will push me.
Yeah, so
for deal with that.
Yeah,
so like force they right. They say, see it, yeah man, one bluff.
So where have you performed and how were you received?
Well, it's a great feeling, you know. It's a great feeling, really great feeling, you know. Perform many places, even here in Portmore. What's the Grove? You don't know anything going on, braffy. By the time they like yesterday, you know. Yeah man, but all heap of places. You see it, I also perform in Antigua. Yeah. Tunnel Bar Club. Yeah, that was a great feeling also. Yeah, man, because the people, them actually make me feel like, say, oh, yeah. Them actually hear the song already, see me, a big vibes, man. Tell you, just give me a different feeling, still feel like me a big artist, so they see me, see. Braffy. Yeah, man.
I know that song
but artists
and I love
me
that
see
song.
me, yeah.
I appreciate the fact that you go out there and people receive you that way. You know, it push you, it boosts you to do more. But do you have, apart from that one, do you have any recorded songs?
Yeah, I have a lot of recording songs. Got Loyalty, Chucky Boss feature, Romy, Liquor Pepper Records, out right now. Braffy.
Right, so.
Chucky Boss feature, Romy, Liquor Pepper / Nafty Records. And right now, officially Vivo channel on YouTube have a song release called Ghana Lead, Lex Them Production.
Lexden Production.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's safe to say Lexden Production will actually be like the manager booking agent behind you.
No, not Lex Them, but Liquor Pepper
Lickle
Records.
Pepper, alright. So people hear it, Lickle Pepper Records. So what I'd like for you to say to the general public are like young people out there right now. Some of them may actually want to come in this music industry, but they're not sure what to do or who to be around. What advice do you have for them?
Well, it's not a easy road, you know. And there's a lot of competition. Not saying you're going to come into this game telling yourself that you're going to compete with a one, you see, but there's a lot of competition, a lot of fighting and the thing. So I just say headspace, you have to just firm, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man, because whole heap of fighting and thing, you see it, whole heap of hold on, but you have to just tell yourself, say, I do music for you and nobody else. Regardless, you're going to make it work, you see it.
True. What have you learned on your journey in this music industry? What have you learned that you'd like to tell the younger generation?
Well, one thing I'm learning, you can't force a one for grab onto your product, you see it. Just have to go on the work until the work talk for itself, you know.
Like that. We have come to the end of this segment. We're gonna take a quick look at the Gonna Lead music video by Chucky Boss. Stay tuned.
Yo, Lex them.
Baby.
You know you feel upset when things now go your way and you're confused like the right person, the wrong time, the right script, or the wrong line. But be your own boss, my bro, and have your own mind. See free now.
Them country out now, we a start the show. Who no know we want fi know how we go through so much and they them could do get we out. We do without, kick it table over, turn it round. Blessing a power, fi make it out, ya fi sure. Money teleport from me line wire to account. Fi see the amount, you no need not a telescope. Without a doubt, mommy smile when she get the house. Happiness arouse, so my queen, so me take it show. Stuck to the beat, so me fly on the money zone. Cushion on me and a roll, make a million a roll. Give me dog them couple bricks, me never lend alone. Them alone, they a when enemies if sell me soul. Time of the master, so me build up a masterpiece. Can't drop off like banana leaf, so me nah go east. Fly the gate the without a key. Life get sweet like an harmony. Make them family nice to a be like sport mode gone in a jive. Luxury ride, sunroof star, give me light. Me dep on a rise, legs them give them a surprise. Finally arrive, overcome sleepless nights. Sacrifice, sport mode gone in a jive. Sunroof star, give me light. Me dep on a rise, legs them give them a surprise. Long time on a fight.
Yeah, people, and you can go there, go find the music them on Chucky Boss Vivo. You see it? Chucky Boss Music on Instagram, Chucky Boss Music on Facebook. You see it? Or if you want, you can ask Google to see me. You see it? Just type in Chucky Boss. I make the enter. The enter key to the work. You see it? Yeah, that is fully, you know?
Them country out now, we a start the show. Who no know we want fi know how we got through so much and they a them could do get we out. We do without, kick it table over, turn it round. Blessing a power, fi make it out, fi sure. Money teleport from me line wire to account. Fi see the amount, then I need not a telescope. Without a doubt, mommy smile when she get the house. Happiness arouse, I'm a queen, so me take it short. So fly money on his own, cushion on me and a roll, make a million a roll. Give me dog them couple bricks, me never lend alone. Them alone, they are when enemies say fi sell me soul. Time of the master, so me build up a masterpiece. Can't drop off like banana leaf. Now go ace, fly the gate there without a key. Life gets sweet like an harmony Ghana leaf. Sport mode gone in a jive. Sunroof start, give me light. Me dep on a rise, legs them give them a surprise. Finally arrive, overcome sleepless nights. Sacrifice, sport mode gone in a jive. Sunroof start, give me light. Me dep on a rise, legs them. Hear me and send a Portmore. Long time on a fight for this. We put the thing up on a level where baby fix every problem. Yeah, the mechanics sit back and I collect profit. Tell my mother me go make it, no me got it in existence. Me a profit, no beggy, me no beg. My granny says about a bit. Hands up on the prize and make a strike and no we never miss. She na freeze, my neck, my watch a gliss, Rolex pa my wrist. Like a lollipop, so me have them. Time to study people in the world, they have a journalist. Stool every day, I give my fans them couple relight. Anything a bubble, kusha kick up in the chalice. Making money, brain, me tell you like a meteorologist. Many fight the fight beside the light, they fully Iraqi. Grand prime finale, living boss life, I feel it. Take a plane, go a Philly when me ready with my family. Plane, go a Philly when me ready, I feel make my family nice. To a life, sport mode, gone in a jive. Love the right, sunroof start, give me light. Me dep on a rise, legs them, give them a surprise. Finally arrive, sleepless nights. Sacrifice, sport mode, gone in a jive. Sunroof start, give me light, me dep on a rise, give me a cinnamon.
fully rocky, you know.
Them come fi out now, we a start the show. Who no know we want fi know how we go through so much and they them could get we out. We do without, kick it table over, turn it round. Blessing and power, fi make it out, yeah, fi sure. Money teleport from